Down, 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 down. Oh. Let's print the Millennium Falcon. Yeah. Thumbs up for the awkward intro. Hello all, today I'm printing off the Millennium Falcon. This is for the celebration of the new Star Wars The Force Awakens. This was a somewhat fail because I put too much supports, the print temperature was too high, yada yada yada, because I've got a new nozzle. So I'm still testing it out, but it came out well. See? Meow. It's got the torrents, the radar, not the satellite dish, has its landing gear up, down. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe and comment of what I should print next. Hello again. Okay, this is me removing off the raft. It was really simple, very tall print, so I just left it and opened it. And I must have spent like 4 hours just removing all the supports, so top tip, don't do loads of supports. Okay, yeah, there's supports everywhere, it took me forever. And then I just use the heat gun to get rid of all the white stuff. Forgot to show you, here's the finished product. Meow. That's how it goes, right? Yeah, good.